It's fascinating that we live in an area that's geographically perfect for the maritime industry. We're surrounded by water, and people don't really think about the maritime industry as a job. If you think about it, if you look in the tags of all of your clothes, most of them are not made in America, and they didn't come on a plane, they came on a ship. But the maritime industry in Washington is a $37 billion industry. The average age of the mariner in the maritime industry is 55 years old. So in the next 10 years, we're going to have a mass retirement, and we don't have enough people to backfill all those jobs. All the maritime trades and marine manufacturing, they're struggling too. And they're really good living wage jobs with upward mobility. The Seattle Maritime Academy has been around since the 70s in the same location, doing some form or fashion of maritime training since the 70s. It's really important for us now because there are 6 maritime academies where you can go get a bachelor's degree, but you don't need a bachelor's degree to be successful. This is called Experience Maritime, and it's a 4-day awareness camp for getting young people to be aware of the maritime industry.
So the goal would be to get it down to, a few meters, like
this week in particular is for adults, meaning navigators, teachers, counselors, so that they know what we're teaching these high school students about the maritime industry so they can help advise them.
When this opportunity came up, I saw it as a great chance to be able to come in, learn about the class, so I can go out and teach, students or other individuals that are interested in getting in the maritime industry. Yeah, it's amazing what you have, and you forget what's in your own backyard as far as the maritime industry. We see such a small piece of it. So yeah.
Yeah, it's fun, particularly with the young high school kids when they're trying to figure out what they might want to do. And I had a 30-year career going to sea and doing ocean research similar to what we're doing today.
At Seattle Maritime Academy, we get people's career jump-started. You can be really successful in the trades and doing things with 6 months of training, a year's worth of training. At Seattle Maritime Academy, ours is 3/4 of hands-on instruction and an internship, so it's approximately a year. And students start making $45,000 to $75,000 right out of school for 6 months worth of work.
Absolutely, yeah. There's employment all over the nation in both engine and deck program. It's a great value. The starting wages on these jobs are high.
You can get financial aid, you can get scholarships, you can get worker retraining funds to help you with school, and they provide a really strong support function for us.
It's a lot of work.
People are just fascinated. They're like, this is so cool, and I hear a lot, I wish I had known about this when I was a kid.